The nervous system. In all of our life, we are living in a continuous storm of stimuli, shivering from cold, suffering from pain, etc. are the examples. Nervous system is made up of special cells called nerve cells or neurons and nerve fibers. The human nervous system can be divided into three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. The central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The peripheral nervous system consists of nerves arising from the brain and the spinal cord. The autonomic nervous system is made up of special collections of nerve cells and nerves which control the working of internal organs. Central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The brain. Our brain controls the rest of our body. The brain lies inside the hard and bony skull. Between the brain and the skull, there fills a clear liquid which protects the brain from jerks and blows. The brain weighs about 1.5 kilograms. It is made up of millions of nerve cells and nerve fibers. The brain has three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. Largest part of the brain is cerebrum, which controls sense organs. Cerebellum, or the small brain, coordinates the working of our muscles and helps in maintaining our balance. Medulla or brainstem is like a bulb below the cerebellum. It keeps on working day and night, whether we are awake or asleep. Medulla controls involuntary actions like heartbeats. The spinal cord. The medulla continues downwards along the back of the body as the spinal cord, which is located inside the backbone. The spinal cord is a well-protected cable through which messages travel up and down. The spinal cord is made up of nerve cells and nerve fibers. The spinal cord links the brain with the rest of the body. Automatic actions in our body are controlled by the spinal cord. A reflex action is an automatic action. For example, when we touch a hot object, our hands move away instantly. In reflex actions, the messages do not reach the brain. Messages are received by the spinal cord and the action is directed by the spinal cord itself. The peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves arising from the brain and the spinal cord. Nerves. Nerves carry impulses to and from the central nervous system. Nerves perform different functions. Nerves which carry impulses from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord are called sensory nerves. These impulses are interpreted by the brain, and we are able to see, hear, smell, taste, etc. These messages result in the movement of muscles or secretion by glands. Such nerves are called motor nerves. Some nerves do both the functions of carrying impulses from the sense organs to the brain and the spinal cord, and also of conveying messages from the brain and the spinal cord to the muscles or glands. They are called mixed nerves.